Hello everybody, this is Mike Prey with Keller Realty with your March 2024 real estate update for our local market. Listen, right now buyers are heating up the market. It looks like things are trending upward. Let me share with you why I think that's so. For the month of March, homes sold were up 28.5% over February. For the year, they were down 13%, but a 28.5% increase in 1 month is quite a bit. Also, the days on market were down 24 days between February and March. Excuse me. And they were down 33 days from this time last year. So that's quite a bit of an increase in activity, resulting in homes being on the market less time than they were last month by quite a bit and significantly from this time last year. Also, showings are up about 21.65% from last month, and they're slightly higher than last year, which means that there are more people out there in the market. So we see more homes being sold, taking less time for homes to go under contract, and more people out there in the market. And that tells me that the buyers are ready to buy and they're heating up the market and they're getting out there. This is having an effect on some other things too if you're thinking about listing your home, or if you're trying to time the market for a lower price. Like we talked about last month, the median sales price, because of the increased activity, was pushed up 7.4%. So it ended the month at $400,000. It's starting to gain on last year's, but it's still down 4.8%. This time last year, the median sales price was $420,000, but that's quite an increase in 1 month to $400,000. And so, and that's because the available inventory is still decreasing. So for the month, there was 1.2% less available inventory than in February. There's 4.2% less available inventory than this time last year. So even though there are fewer homes out there, we have more buyers going after those fewer homes. So if you're thinking about listing your home, that's a good situation to be in. You have more buyers looking for fewer homes, and that's tending to push the prices up a little bit. So if you're thinking about listing a home, now is the time. If you're thinking about buying the home, you want to get in the market as quickly as you can, so that you don't end up having the prices pushed way up by the time you get in there. Another thing that we're seeing that's interesting, that tells me there are more motivated buyers out there, is that the interest rate was down about 0.15% from February. It was at end of the month at 6.79, but for the year it was up 0.47. This time last year the interest rate was 6.32% on average. That's a national average. And so that tells me, even though we have almost a half a point higher interest rate, we have the same or more activity among buyers, and they're quicker to buy than we did last year. That tells me that buyers are seeing that they're no longer waiting for 3% interest rates. They're understanding that our market is what it is, and that the prices continue to rise. Like we talked about last month, prices continue to rise, but interest rates are not stable. And so they jump up and down. And so people are saying, well, it looks like our interest rate right now is between 6.5 and 7. I'm going to get out there and get in the market because the prices keep going up on the houses. So I can lock in a price on the house. I can get in the market and start realizing some appreciation. And then as interest rates change, if they fall, I can refinance. If they go up, I'm locked in at this interest rate. So that's an interesting market. It looks like it's starting to elevate in activity. We still have very low inventory, a shortage of inventory, and we have people that are working out there qualifying to get in the market at the prevailing interest rate. And so, like I said, buyers are heating up the market. If you're thinking about buying, you want to get out there and lock in those lower prices. And if you're listing, it might be time to put it out there. It's a good climate for listing and selling your home. Well, that's the update for the real estate market through March of 2024. I hope some of you, I'm filming this after the eclipse. I hope some of you had a chance to see that here in our local market. That was a pretty amazing thing. And we're starting to see some amazing things with real estate too. If you have any questions about what's going on in your local market, every market is its own, every local neighborhood is its own market. If you have questions about what's going on in your market, or what your home might be worth, or if you're trying to decide if you should get out there and buy and sell and you have questions, please don't hesitate to give me a call at 469-446-0234. You can email me at mikepray2@gmail.com. If you're seeing this on social media, just send me a message, and I'll be happy to get with you and answer any questions that you have and help you navigate this exciting market that we're in right now. I hope everybody's getting ready to have, as we're moving into summer, the last couple of months of school. Hope everybody's enjoying the weather and enjoying the anticipation of a great spring and summer. Thanks a lot, and look forward to seeing you next month. Bye.